Okay, so I'm gonna try to explain number conversion under 5 minutes. I'll try to make it as simple as possible. So let's dive right into it. So in the question, it says to make your own recursive algorithm. Recursive means you cannot have any loops to convert decimal to any base. So convert decimal means convert any number from base 10 to any base. So there's actually a formula for this. You can convert a base 10 number to any other base. So there's an example here. I will explain it very briefly. So it starts off with the number, which is from this example is 254. So the number will be divided by the base, which is 16. So number divided by 16, you divide it until you have the remainder. The remainder will be pushed up to be the number lah. And then after that, the 15, it will be divided by 16 again. Yeah, it will be divided, and then the remainder will be here, and then it will be pushed up. As you can see, there's a pattern here, and then this kind of pattern will stop when this number is less than this. So since it's 15 is less than 16, this will be the last time lah, because 15 divided by 16, you put 0, the remainder is 15, and then if you keep going, it will be the same. So just to simplify everything, you have to convert the number n from base 10 to base y. And then I'll just show you the code a little bit. So this is the function, 10 to base, any base. So you import the value you want to change, and to what base you want to change the number into, and counter. I'll just explain the counter here. You should understand these two. So for counter, I put 1 because let's say you have the number 2131 and it's in base 8. Just for example, let's say you did the program counts for you, and then the remainder is 1. So 1 times 1, it will be 1. And then if you go to the next value and it calculates, the remainder is 3. So what I did here, the recursion here, the counter, it will multiply by 10. So remember I mentioned this was 1. So 1 times 10, it will be 10. So 3 times 10 will be 30. Then it will go here again, it will times 10, so it becomes 100. And it will be 1 times 100 equals 100, and so on. So this is my function of recursion. I don't know if there's any reference on the internet which is similar to this, but this is what I've managed to come up with. So yeah, all the best to you.